Welcome to Garage Cars. Today, we're exploring the pinnacle of luxury SUVs, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade. With its bold design, incredible performance, and unmatched interior elegance, this is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. Let's dive in. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade is a bold statement in luxury SUVs, combining unmatched performance, cutting-edge design, and sophisticated comfort. This flagship vehicle showcases Cadillac's commitment to innovation and excellence, making it the ultimate choice for drivers who demand both style and substance. Under the hood, the 2025 Escalade is a powerhouse. It features a 6.2-liter V8 engine delivering 420 horsepower, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking even more efficiency without compromising power, Cadillac offers a hybrid option with an electric motor assist, seamlessly blending performance and sustainability. The Escalade's magnetic ride control and adaptive air suspension ensure a smooth and controlled driving experience, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The exterior design is a masterpiece of modern engineering and aesthetics. With its imposing stance, bold lines, and signature LED light blades, the Escalade commands attention wherever it goes. A redesigned grille with a sleek, futuristic pattern adds a touch of elegance, while the sculpted body and 22-inch alloy wheels elevate its visual appeal. Functional features like retractable side steps and a hands-free liftgate make everyday use convenient without sacrificing style. Step inside, and you're enveloped in pure luxury. The 2025 Escalade's interior is a blend of premium materials and advanced technology. Every seat is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, with customizable ambient lighting setting the mood. The cabin is spacious, offering 3 rows of plush seating and ample cargo space. At the center of the experience is a massive 38-inch curved OLED display, providing crystal-clear visuals for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. Passengers enjoy top-tier comfort with features like massaging seats, a premium AKG studio reference sound system, and individual climate controls for every row. Despite its size and power, the Escalade impresses with its fuel efficiency. The hybrid model shines, delivering better mileage than traditional SUVs in its class while reducing emissions. Regenerative braking and aerodynamic enhancements contribute to its overall efficiency, proving that luxury and sustainability can coexist. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade is more than just an SUV, it's a testament to Cadillac's legacy of innovation and excellence, offering a driving experience that's as thrilling as it is refined. It's the perfect blend of power, luxury, and advanced technology for those who refuse to compromise. That's the 2025 Cadillac Escalade, a perfect mix of power, luxury, and innovation. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Garage Cars for more epic car reviews. See you next time.